Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And as you guys can see, my video should be looking totally different than what you guys are used to. If you guys like how this video looks, let me know in the comments down below if this is better than what my videos used to look like. Okay. But anyway, in today's video, I will be trying out some new glosses from the Balm. They sent me this a while ago, but I was kind of waiting until I got myself situated in order to do this video, just to see if I liked how it came out better. So hopefully I do like how it comes out better. But yeah, so I'm trying out some new glosses that are also a stain. I don't know what kind of technology they got going on, but yeah, we're gonna just swatch them. I'm not going to be able to keep them on for it to be a stain. So I'm just going to swatch the colors for you guys and show you guys the glosses and show you guys the package. But before we get into this video, we want to shout out the gang. You guys hold it down, especially the people that commented when I put something up on the community board, letting you guys know that I will not be able to post last week Friday and that I was making sure that the next video that I posted looked like this one. So yeah, anyway, if you guys want to see these glosses and what they are like, stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and enjoy. Alrighty guys, I'm looking like everything in this viewfinder, in this monitor. Hello Jessica, how are you? You look good. Okay, this is the new glosses from the Balm. Hopefully this is in focus. It is in focus. Alright, so these are the new glosses from the Balm. They're called the Balm Jour. This is not one of them. I just have on like two glosses topped together. So yeah, they are. So on the package, if you guys could see that, that's me. There I go. Hold on. There I go. Sent me this. They put my Instagram name on it. Gorgeous Nicole. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram. And then they sent me these unique glosses. So they're supposed to change the game. They're highly pigmented, stain and shine all in one. So basically what these glosses are supposed to do is go on as a gloss, and then throughout the day they're going to turn into a stain, so that when you guys do have it on all day, it still looks like you got something going on. So I'm not reading this, but so if you see in this picture right here, it starts off as a gloss and then it goes into being a stain. Yeah, that's basically all they said it was. And then these are all the different names of the glosses and how they're supposed to look. I hope these are chocolate girl friendly or color girl friendly. As you guys can see, my shoulders got tan. So yeah, I'm ready for this. Let me wipe this off. So I am going to put them with a lip liner because I don't want my lips looking crazy. I don't have time for that. I don't have time to be looking like I've been chewing on them little dollar donuts from the corner store that people be buying. The little white powdery ones. I ain't got time for this. Oh, also, I have a little gift for you guys at the end of the video, but you have to stay tuned to the end to know what the gift is and how to get the gift. Okay? So, yeah, we're going to start off. We're going to start with this shade, these two shades, because these look like they're the more new ones. I'm going to move around because I don't want to do it this way or this way because they're a stain and I don't want these to stain my lip. So, yeah. So, the first one I'm starting off with is Hola. And Hola looks like a pinky nude. Get my lip pencil. This is brighter than I thought. Hopefully you guys can see the real. Yeah, you guys can see it. I personally do not like these kind of colors. But you could tell that it's not super glossy. It's more of like a glossy liquid lipstick, kind of. Next one is going to be Konnichiwa.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
What I'm going to do is Salud. Salud. Oh, this is cute. If you guys hear my fan, I'm sorry. With all these lights, it's really hot. Okay, so this is Salud. Next one will be Hello. I know hello, I speak that language. Look at my lips. Look at my lips. Alright, so next we're gonna work with Namaste. This because I'm like a nude kind of girl. Well, we already knew that. Chow. Chow is the deep pink, and then the last two are reds. This is great, but it's cute. We're gonna do Aloha. My lips are stained, so I don't know if these colors are coming up different to you guys, but this one is cute. Is Ni Hao. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this one. So, I'm doing a giveaway. I have the whole collection to give you guys. So all you have to do is be following me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will be making a post. And all of you have to comment underneath that post your favorite thing about Jessica Nicole. And I will randomly choose a winner and be sending you the package. I'll let you guys know who the winner is on Instagram. Okay, so all in all, these stains work super fast. They remind me more of a lipstick than a lip gloss, but the colors are really, really cute. It's really weird to explain, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social media, and see you guys in my next video.